Music awakens the emotions on every human being. It has the power to inspire. It helps us focus and to make us surpass the limits that we set ourselves. But why should a set of headphones that deliver this functionality be so expensive? How about if we could come up with a set of noise-cancelling headphones that would deliver or surpass your expectations at a reasonable and affordable price? Imagine if we could create a headset with the feedback of Olympic athletes and music aficionados, with the functionality of the top leading brands at a fraction of the price.
I'm constantly using headphones and music to get me going. I want something I can wear all the time, whether it be on an airplane through the airport or training in the gym.
Something with a lot of bass, especially when I'm getting ready for a big race. I really like to feel the music.
For me, something that's really important in a headphone is I really like the noise cancelling feature.
Our hearing system is not designed to respond to all frequencies equally. We are more sensitive to the mid frequencies than to the low and high frequencies. By using lightweight components, Lety's built-in drivers can easily vibrate to generate all frequencies within maximum power and clarity. This creates an even distribution of sound with an emphasis on the low and high end. The design of the Lety is flexible and its materials are solid and sleek with a focus on comfort. They stay in place without pressure while you play or relax, and the feel and texture are luxurious and smooth.
We were able to manufacture 100 pieces of the Broski Lety for a beta test. Then we gave them to our star-powered Olympic athletes.
Right when I put them on, I can't hear anything. Noise cancellation is killer.
Sounds amazing.
Super excited to try these while traveling, like working out, all of it.
This really exceeded my expectations.
The feedback has been amazing, and we are looking for excellence. So we fine-tuned the settings and modified the acoustics until our sound engineers agreed that we achieved the optimal sound quality and rich listening experience. And now all we need is you to make this real. Please back us and join our community that believes every human should feel the music.